Hi everybody. It's a while since I've done a video and I thought it was time I did one. And it's such a glorious day out there today. A beautiful spring day with all the spring flowers out. And it felt to me it would be a good day to do an emotional spring clean, as well as the physical spring cleans we get prompted to do at this time. We're all carrying old strategies and beliefs. Some of them were never ours in the first place, we just borrowed them. They came down through the family line. Some of them may be from other lives, other times, other dimensions that we've been in. And some of them we created in this life, depending on what was going on around us. And I'd like to invite our subconscious, all parts of us, to release now anything that's no longer for our highest good, so that we can actually connect to the new, bright, vibrant spring energy that's going to help to move us forward in our life. So we're going to be tapping on the side of the hand, and I'll say something and then you can join in after me. I hope I remember to leave a gap between the things that I say. If not, just think along with me. So even though I'm carrying all sorts of old strategies, all sorts of old beliefs. Some are mine, and some I borrowed because they came down through the family line. And some of them may be mine from previous lives. And I'm open to the possibility that right now it's finally safe to release all the things that I've been carrying, that I've been doing and believing, that are no longer for my highest good. I thank the parts of me that have been holding on to that stuff for me with the best of intentions. And I'd like them to know that their job is now complete. And it's finally safe to release the stuff that I don't need back to the universe for recycling into something more useful. With my thanks. Letting go of anything that's no longer for my highest good. Whether it's mine, whether I borrowed it, whether it came down through the family line, whether it's from past lives or this life. I'm choosing now to release all unhelpful things, beliefs, strategies, back to the universe for recycling into something more useful. And even though I've carried that stuff for so long, I'd like all parts of me to know that it's now safe to connect to the vibrant spring energy, the energy of rebirth, of new growth, of moving forward, the excitement of spring, that fizz when you look at new flowers and green grass. And I'd like every part of me to know that that's the energy I want to bring into my life right now. Easily, safely, comfortably and completely. Because that's what I deserve. Whether I believed it or not, it's the truth. Bringing in the new energy, bringing in the vibrant energy, bringing in the exciting spring growth energy, because that's what I want. right now. That's what will help me move forward. That's what will be good for me. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself and everyone else involved, maybe. So I hope wherever you are and whenever you're listening to this, spring, summer, autumn, winter, you can still bring in that spring energy. Clear what's not working and bring in that new. And transform your life. Sometimes it can be as easy as that. Goodbye till the next time.